Alright, my name's Bryce Como. Today I'll be showcasing the level block mesh that I've made so far. So we needed to have three different branching paths. Here I have a cliff face path, I have a cave path, and I have a forest path. We'll go ahead and start from the left up the stairs here to our cliff path. We have this little platforming challenge. If you fall here, it does just feed into the cave path, so there's no real risk to the player getting stuck. We have an opening to the cave path here, if you want to go explore that way. Both of these textured paths here will actually be blocked off to the player until they've collected the appropriate key. At that point, the areas will rise out of the ground when the player gets close to them, kind of like a magic wand kind of effect. Here we have our first optional objective. So if you do come back here with the key, this will rise. You'll be able to collect that. You'll also be able to go to the goal, which is through this way. Here we have our first key. So this one's actually tied to the forest path. That's why it's colored green currently. You'll see a matching texture when we get to the parts that block off and need this key in the forest. From here, we'll go ahead and explore our cave system. Let's see. Here you can see we'll have this area blocked off until you get the matching collectible. I plan on making this kind of like a ice wall that will shatter once you collect the thing that needs to be collected. Here we have our second optional objective. Through here we have our path to the goal, which will also be blocked off until you collect the appropriate material. And then we have a path to the forest path. Going back exploring the cave, this is where we started, so this will be our entrance. We have this section over here, and if the player explores down this way, they will find the needed material in order to unlock those two paths in the cliff section. So once they've got that, they'll be able to go climb those staircases, get that extra goodie, and then proceed with the level. Now let's actually come back out this way, and this is our forest path. Here we see it connects to our cave entrance here. The player will be blocked off until they've gone collect the necessary thing from the mountain path. And then over here they have the necessary collectible for the cave path. Once they have the thing here, they'll be able to get through here and then get a collectible around here. I think I forgot to add that in. I'll make sure to do that right after this. And then after that, they will also be able to get to the goal. So here we see our goal path up to the volcano. The player will be able to traverse. If they're coming out of the cave, this is where it connects down here. So they can just come right up here. Oh. And then proceed. And then this is where it connects to the mountain path. And then once they're all the way at the top, they've got this big piece of gold, and they can go ahead and fling themselves into our volcano and complete the level. So we have three branching paths, three secondary objectives, and one goal.